Myntri ka Tnad social welfare Bah Paul Lyngdoh mynta kasi ka tarik jylliew ula Pynlong ya ka Jingialang halor kamat ban Tehlakam ya ka Jingsaphriang Drok hakini ki sngi kibalaya shim bentalang hakate ka Jingialang ki kynthup ya ki director ka Tnad social welfare ka health department ka police department but director jong ka NIMHANS.
Draft policy has been approved and notified, and under this DREAM, which is an acronym for Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, which calls for a drug-free Meghalaya. Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission, working towards a drug-free Meghalaya. Under this mission, a mission director and his team will assist the government in coordinating the efforts of various departments which are interlinked to this issue, and also total sanction of 5 crores has been set aside for undertaking publicity campaigns and increasing awareness programs. These all will come under this mission. Also, there is a very important act that has not been invoked so far till date, which is called the Prevention of Illicit Traffic. Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988. That is PIT and DPS. So far, we have not been able to invoke the provisions of this act because we are yet to be able to create an advisory board. But today, retired High Court judge has consented. Mr. Shivaji Pandey, who is also the chairman of the State Consumers Council, has consented in writing to be the chairman of the advisory board. So once the chairman of the advisory board agrees to take over the assignment of chairman of the board, that gives us that clears the pathway for us to implement this very important act. Under this act, persons with known antecedents of being drug traffickers or being indulged in narcotic trade, big, medium or small, can be booked under this act, and they will undergo preventive detention for an initial period of 3 months, which can be extended up to a year.